assembled some rubber bands on a frame, and we're going to put it on the fourth frame in the box.
Yeah.
We're going to put the queen up in here.
I'm going to take out 5. Yeah, we just did an install in the hive over there, but unfortunately, I don't think it recorded. This is no mentor.
So just so you know, you're going to get a bunch of bees flying around deciding where they want to go.
Okay.
So don't be worried about that.
Because of those ones?
Because of those ones, and then these will come out, and they'll also be wondering where they should go. So let's put this over here. So you want to flip this off. So he's taking off the cover where a can and a queen cage is underneath it.
I'm going to get this one.
Let's have the thing close by. There.
Yeah.
It's close by, because I have to sit clear. Sorry. So then, show the candy side.
Oh yeah, there's plenty of
candy in there.
Yeah.
We're going to take that disc off.
The queen.
That releases the ability for the other bees to eat the candy and release the queen. You need to put your tongue in it.
Make sure I'm not squishing anybody. And there's a hole with the candy. So now this.
So we're going to put cage, screen out, and candy up.
Screen out, candy up. Angle that way.
Yep.
That way if the worker bees in there or attendant bees die. Now it's going to go up against this one.
Yep.
Now I got to get this.
Actually, I think you did it the other way, just because you're dumping bees in that side.
Okay. Sorry. So now I got to get this can out.
Now you got to tip the can over. Oops. Don't worry about that. Over the hive. Right?
Yep, that one's not.
So what?
Yeah, definitely.
See why it's hard to do this stuff.
Yeah. Here. Good. Now I'll dump some right here.
See, they're already coming out of the queen cage.
No, no, no.
Bang it on your button. Yeah.
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 Now, you newly acquired bee brush I won the other night.
Yeah. No, you took it out. Thank him. So we're just gently putting the frames in on top of the bees. We are moving away. Because there's bee space, about half an inch of bee space underneath.
So you just,
So they're not flush with the bottom.
no. And I have that, I'm using the bottom
Slab that.
slab rack. That gives them more space, right?
Yes. No problem. And then you just want to straighten them up. You're cool.
It's gonna work. Probably gonna do that a lot, right?
Yeah, unless you get a magnet.
Right, I'm gonna probably do that. Alright, so they're in the middle.
And for now,
You can take that, do it diagonally.
see, it gives them a chance to move out of the way rather than crunching them.
Right.
Get that syrup in where they got crazy. Should have already on the jar.
I know. And this is 1-to-1 sugar.
Yep,
You want to do the other one too? Or?
I did it.
Oh, the can?
Oh no, I didn't. Well, here, let's put this on for a minute. You just I'll check that fumes.
Okay, let's go all over this can.
You can see how you get a robbing situation going on.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Thanks. Now the rest of these will just come out.
They'll eventually come out.